Hey guys, welcome back to the Aiden's Cuts channel. So today we've got 4 new products from Gamma Plus Australia. Just had these all sent in to me. Super keen to get my hands on these. The first thing I'll be looking at and cutting with is the Gamma Plus Boosted Up Clipper. It is similar to the last boosted clipper. Obviously now it's had a reinforced switch. When I'm cutting with it, I'll tell you more about the specs, but then we're gonna get into the Xcell range. The Xcell range has come out straight after the Xcell hairdryer, which was the first in the line. Now the Xcell range, I think it is the most high-end range of clippers, foil shaver, trimmer, hairdryer that Gamma's ever released. So first things first, we're looking at the Boosted Up clipper, just been released. This does retail for a little bit below what the Xcell range does. The clipper comes with 3 skins, obviously, and the clipper. All these skins are interchangeable with the grips. And then we've got the same dock that we got in the last Boosted Up clipper. Didn't mean to turn it on. So now, well, obviously still got that clicking that it's interchangeable, like all the other boosted products. Then we've got the reinforced motor with the clear case. And we've got some new black screws, which is pretty cool. Obviously the same as the last boosted and all the other Gamma products. Always comes with a USB-C port. Absolutely game changer. If you are traveling international, interstate, you only need 1 charger for all the Gamma products. Sounds good, quiet. Sounds pretty much similar to exactly the same as the last boosted clipper. Yeah, old-fashioned 1, 1.5, half and 2, but it comes with the magnets, the double magnets. So super premium guards for a super premium product. The Boosted Up clipper has had some upgrades to its cutting performance with improved clipper protection and a longer battery life. The clipper features a high power 7,200 RPM rotary motor and a 45mm black diamond carbon DLC blade for a perfectly smooth cut nearly every time. You can also customize your lever options with tight or stretch taper brackets, and also enjoys customizations with 3 levers, 2 click systems, levers, and 1 floating system lever. The clipper is fully rechargeable in about 150 minutes using its dock or USB charging. When I was in the shop using these clippers, the first thing I did notice, I switched the clipper on and off constantly, and the upgraded switch just feels so much more premium. And if you are constantly turning the clipper on and off, it won't get loose. Obviously, I don't need to go on too much about how good the boosted clipper is. Most people have used it, and it is the clipper that made Gamma super famous. I would recommend every barber to have the Boosted Up in their collection. It's especially good for barbers that are beginning because of that click lever. It's really easy to not get lost in your fade. Let's open this up. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than what I was expecting. Sounds super quiet. It is a bigger trimmer. I have seen online that this is a magnet, so you can get in and just blow all the hair out of there. So super easy to clean. It's got the X Pro trimmer head accessories as well. I'm sure it's got that same interchangeable Xcell heads. Yep. Oh, it's got the zero gap tool. That's pretty cool. And then we've got the interchangeable things, and we've got now trimmer guards, which is super cool. I've never seen trimmer guards with magnets. Yeah, 0.5, 1, half, 1.5. Let's just get into it. The Xcell trimmer has a 9,500 RPM vector motor with high power and electronically controlled torque. It has a 40mm X Pro DLC black diamond carbon fixed blade and a DLC moving blade. A big thing I liked while using the Xcell trimmer is the removable magnetic drop top for easy cleaning. It made my experience while using it super easy for maintenance, lubrication, and to make sure you're keeping the trimmer clean and sanitized between every cut. The trimmer has an aluminium back that reduces vibration and noise, and also has a lithium-ion battery with 180 minutes of runtime with the dock or the USB-C charging cable. My absolute favourite thing about the trimmer is that it comes with those magnetic trimmer guards. It makes the trimmer stand out completely from all the other competition, because now I can recommend to all those clients and friends that have asked what product they should buy if they want an all-in-one bundle that trims their beard and lines it up. This is the product for them. The trimmers are absolute hitters. You can use them all day long for lining up or removing that weight. I can't wait to see how they hold up in a couple weeks against my trusty boosted trimmers. The next product, Xcell range, we're going to have a look at will be the Xcell foil shaver. So, well, first impression, Comes with a replaceable foil blades. Oh, so it comes with a dock. It's pretty sick. I've never had a foil shaver come with a dock, so it really is showing like how premium of a range this is compared to other brands with a similar price bracket. Okay, so first impressions, picking this up, it does feel a lot more rigid and heavy duty than the boosted up range. It feels as in the boosted up range is lighter, more nimble product, and that's the best foil shaver I've ever used, hands down. So I'm super keen to see how this feels and works inside the barbershop. The most common haircut I do is skin fade, so I'm using these all day. Thick, dark hair, gonna be smashing it out, so super keen to see how it goes. So yeah, let's turn it on. Super powerful. Keen to see how these go. Obviously we've got the foil protector, got our accessories, got the oil and the brush, and then we've got all interchangeable X for the Xcells, and then even for the charging port down the bottom, you can interchange them, and then the USB-C. Like I said before, all Gamma products come with it. The Xcell foil shaver has an 11,500 RPM vector motor with a high power and electronically controlled torque, an ultra thin hypoallergenic gold titanium foil with a crunchy cutting blade, so has an aluminium body reducing vibration and noise. The foil shaver also has 3 little LED light indicators for remaining charge of your 120 minutes of runtime. My favourite thing about the product is how quick the charging time is between cuts with the fixed X-shaped base, as I've never seen a foil shaver come with a dock before, so this really helps it stand out from the other competition. These foils absolutely crunched every time I needed them to, and set themselves apart from other foil shavers I've used. In my opinion, a foil shaver can be the biggest money saver, because if you're doing a lot of skin fades like me, you don't want to be dedicating most of your time doing the skin on all your clients. The last but not least product that we have today is the Gamma Plus Xcell clipper. Super excited to get this clipper in hand, been waiting for several months. Got that green colorway that it comes with straight out of the pack. That same plastic that we get. First impression, it's very small. It's almost the same size as the Gamma Plus Shorty clipper. Yes. Wow. So we've got that Echo blade. It's similar to the Vapor blade off first impression. We've got an extra 2 clicking levers, and we've got a bigger lever, which is pretty sick. Yeah, so I've got that green colorway. I'm gonna change that to the orange. I've got the orange for everything at the moment, but yeah. Super quiet, feels super powerful. I'll get into the RPM in the in-depth clipper review. The Xcell clipper has the brand new 11,500 RPM Vector IN2 motor with a high power and electronically controlled torque. The clipper also comes with Gamma's premium brand new blade, which is called the Echo DLC Fixed Blade, with crunch functions that allow thinner and deeper grooves. Another feature I loved is that it had the exact same removable magnetic drop top as the Xcell trimmer, making it quick and easy in between cuts to always keep your clipper clean. The clipper is made out of aluminium, which reduces vibration and noise. It also has a brand new ergonomic customizable 6-click system. It has a lithium ion battery with 180 minutes of runtime being charged with either USB-C or its dock. Another cool feature I liked about this clipper is the fact that it comes with those light green tight guards. I've never seen any other clipper come with them, so I'm super stoked to use them. To sum up this clipper, it's definitely one of the best I've ever used. It really made me feel like I had total control of the haircut at all times. One of the most lightest and nimble products I've ever touched, while still maintaining a premium feel. I couldn't recommend it anymore. So I've done multiple haircuts throughout the week with all these products. Without a doubt, my favorite product has to be the Xcell clipper. It is just so small, so premium. Without a doubt, probably one of the best clippers I've ever used. And the magnets, it just makes it feel like a skeleton trimmer, but it's a clipper. The boosted clipper, it's super reliable, such a good workhorse every single day. Foil shavers, they're very similar to the boosted foil shaver, which is the best foil shaver I've ever used. But this has comes with a dock. It's a more premium feeling product. And then the trimmers as well. This bundle does go great together. I think all products are just as good, but if I had to choose one, I'm going with the Xcell clipper. It's just the best clipper I've used. And I hope you guys enjoyed the review of each product. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe.